Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about our new website known as trontrxc.ru. In this website I will complete guide how to deposit, how to recharge and how to mine in these websites. Please watch the video complete and also subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Let's start the video. I will provide you a link in the description. You can click on it and come on a registration page of our website. After clicking on a registration page, you can see a page. In this you can see our invitation code, mobile phone number and login password, security password. You can give all these details and click on our registered button. I fill all its details and click on our registered button. I fill all the details and click on a register button to register in it. I already registered in this account and you can click on a option login and you can see our official activity. trontrx.org has more than 2 million users worldwide. Global reward activities: top up 1000 trx and invite a friend to give away 10,000 digital currency reward. First come first served. And you can click on open to open and achieve activate this offer. You can click tasks accepted and the page is loading. You can see that recharge 1000 trx and earn a 10,000 trx as a reward. And in the down you can see a wallet total balance on the up of, and you can see a notification portion more than 2 million users. You can see all these informations of websites and announcement you can see here. And in the down you can see a wallet account and promotions. All these information I will provide. Please like the video and watch complete video. You can so invest in this website and withdraw in it and earn a many profit from it. And you can see that with charge and wallet promotions, you can see my balance has a reward $788. You can see my Tron. And how can you activate all these Tron to withdrawal your in Binance Trust Wallet and other accounts? You can see a register wallet, recharge and withdraw and team and partner and point small and daily gifts and games and activity. I will explain one by one. You can see the full video. First I explain a company introduction. You can see the company ranking in the past and in a future. See all these ranking table. And in the down you can see a platform, cumulative data and active user. And in the down you can see all the user of how to recharge, how to withdraw, team option. I click on a team option at the end. I will explain two other options. You can see your team level 1, level 2 and level 3, all these options. And I click on a home page and you can see a partner option. You can see all the partners of WKUCER, trontrx.org, Polynex and Binance. You can see all these patterns of these websites. And I again click on a website home page and you can see a point all. I click on a point all. You can see a zero my score. It will all be collected every day. And after you can see a next option daily gift. You can click on a daily gift and you can see a option recharge 100,000 tx to reward a total reward 10,000 trx. And in the down you can see a game option. You click on a game option and you can play a game to earn a Tron. And I come back on it and you can see a activity. You can see your activity, how many times you log in this websites and all other information. And in after I click on a trade option, you can see a trade option in it, and in this trade you will deposit it and activated your account automatically. Cloud mining is working. You can see that when I activated my account, this mining is also activated automatically, and daily basis you can will rewarded with a 5% of your investment. And I again click on invest, and in invest product list VIP2, VIP1 6.0% and 8.0% of product list recharge and invested list is the all details of this website. And you can click on a page here and you can see your invitation link. You can send your invitation link to friends to join a more refer in this website and get a many reward from it. And in the next you can see a portion of mining. You can click on a mine options After clicking on a mine option, you can see that a total balance, deposit and recharge. After all these information, I will explain you, and we give you a method how to deposit and how to recharge in it. You can see a content as option, my team and app. You can download app and use it in a Android apps, and transaction records, station news, balance conversation, change record and login record and quiet. And you can see that TRX deposit quantity, and you can see that TRX deposit quantity is 0, TRX I deposit is 0, and I will explain you how to deposit and how to recharge and how to withdraw from it. Recharge 5 TRX to activate the account, and accumulated recharge 500 TRX can withdraw. Money has a gift account. And let's start how to deposit in it. You can click on a deposit option. I click on a deposit option, and you can see the website is loading, and this is two option come: transfer to basic account, transfer to investment account. You can click on a transfer to basic account to do investment and recharge in account. You can see a successful. You can copy your link from this, and the link is copied in my clipboard. You send him a Tron, how many you deposited in it, and click on a completed recharge. I send him a Tron 20 TRX by a trust wallet, and see you at the end of video. My recharge came in my balance. I send him a transaction pending. You can see I send him a 20 TRX in my trust wallet account. You can see that, and I will resume again the video when the my TRX approach in my account. You can see the TRX is sent, and I will receive after 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see that my balance are added in our total balance. My balance is 10,021 TRX, and you can see I successfully deposited in it. I click on invest and trade option. You can see my trading is continue. The cloud mining is working properly. You can see that the cloud mining is working, and I can see you how to do withdrawal from these websites. You can click on mine option and click again withdraw method. You can click on a withdrawal method, and you can see a page is loading. You can see at your daily limit, withdrawal event, and other withdrawal address and withdrawal limit and security code. I will explain you in the start of video the security code, and login password is different, but these password will be saved as our main. And I fill all the details and see you my balance of trust wallet, and after when I withdraw, the my balance is added in it. First I copy link from it. You can see that my total balance of Tron is 308.5. I click on a receive option and copy this address. From copying this result, I click on this websites and enter a paste option, and withdrawal limit. You can see that withdrawal limit is my 1.0. I click on 1, and you can see a security code. Security code, you can give your security code and earn and how to withdraw from it. If you not enter your security code, you cannot withdraw from this website. You see that I fill my security code and click on a submit. You can see that I successfully submit, and my Tron is cutted from my account to 10. The 1 TRX is cut from my account, and the trade is continue today, and in the next day my balance is increasing properly, and I can see you are in a trust wallet. My balance is increased or no. You can see that my balance 308, and I refresh. You can see that 1 Tron is added in my account. 309 is my available balance of this Trons. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Please watch and like all these my videos for properly investing in a cryptocurrency and other networks. Today for